Hey guys, in this video, I'll be taking you through this awesome accessory to go with your Jet Series stick vacs. The Clean Station, a hygienic solution for your home. The Clean Station allows for easy emptying of the dustbin without having to open the canister. You simply pop the top open and press it straight down. As you can see, the Clean Station makes it super simple to empty the dustbin, but also prevents from any fine dust from scattering inside your house. The Clean Station made this possible by using the powerful air pulse technology, which opens and closes the inlet on the suction motor, making the air pressure fluctuate like a heartbeat. The pulsating air current essentially shakes off the dust from inside the dustbin, removing them effectively and quickly into the Clean Station. The Clean Station itself has a 5-layer HEPA filter, which prevents ultrafine dust and allergens from escaping. At the front of the Clean Station is their notification LED, which turns red when the bag is full. Now, the Clean Station comes with 3 bags, 1 installed and 2 spare. But if you would like more, you can also buy a packet of 5. Quick tip, although the dust bag holds 2 liters, it is recommended to change it every 2 to 3 months, or once every month for households with pets. Speaking of bag change, the dust bag is designed to shut the opening hole with a plastic lid, and it is not reusable. In summary, the Clean Station utilizes the unique dustbin, which opens from the bottom to effectively and automatically empty the dust without it scattering out in the air. It is compatible for both Jet 90 and Jet 70 stick vacs. I hope you find this video useful, and thank you for watching.